name is Carrie. I'm so very fly. Oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking at my dairy. And you can stay, but if you touch it, I'm a berry. Pretty.
I was today years old when I found out I don't know how to use a can opener. Okay, y'all, I'm making a taco bowl. I have some chips, sour cream, you know, all the taco things. So these are blue corn chips, BT dubs. I went to Harrah's today. I walked there, so I have a nice walk for today. I'll just go ahead and I seriously have bean juice everywhere. This is not cute. It's Monday. We're starting week 4. Oh my gosh, we're starting week 4. So I want y'all to know we're not posting the check-in today. Tomorrow we will post it for sure, but today, no. Okay, I was not able to flip it pretty today.
Y'all say, yo, y'all say it ain't lingerie on that Chardonnay, scoring touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like, boy, man, I'm Rambo in the yo. I'm building a rate like John Jack, I'm Camo in the yo. These thoughts can't lock me nowadays. You wish I was no pound cake. Boy, you know I look good at full. Wish I was your baby mom. Want me to go around and give you good karma, but no. We escalate up in this bitch like elevators. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on the elevator. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on the elevator. Goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine. Wake up, housed up, round in it, lost and on that. This diamond, my diamond. This rock, my rock. I woke up like this.
So I almost got in 10,000 steps. I had about 9,000 steps today. So I went for a walk after I studied, and yeah, I came back, took my nail polish off. My nails look pretty good actually. And then I'm about to heat up some more of this nachos. We'll just throw it back in the oven. That was pretty good, and I think it ended up not really being that many calories, so I'm just gonna eat the same thing for dinner, finish it off. And if I have any calories left, I'm gonna eat a little ice cream mochi ball. All right, sorry y'all, here is my check-in here, and I ate just a little bit of like cookies for breakfast. I have an apple in my bag, but yeah, I need to do this presentation real quick, and then we can talk some more and actually eat some good food. I'm just all over the place this morning. Had to babysit this morning and then go straight to class from there. So I have a lot of time to like record and do things. So okay. Eating my apple. I'm gonna eat the rest of these cookies I packed for myself, and I'm gonna make a new to-do list for today, and then I'm just gonna get started on it. I'll probably leave here in about 40-ish to an hour minutes to go make lunch. So yeah. Okay, we have a huge problem. I just have like beans left in sides. I don't have any meat. So I think I'm gonna have this thaw out, and I'll make these tomorrow. These are so good. And then that'll be an easy like meal I can use for lunches. And then I'm gonna eat dinner at my friend's tonight. I'm gonna eat dinner at my friend's tonight, so I'm not gonna have to worry about dinner. So I'm just gonna make something. I don't know. I literally just have beans for right now for lunch, I think I'm just gonna have these pot stickers. These are, I can just fry these up real quick and eat them and have some vegetable fried rice. And this is like Trader Joe's down. But yeah, I need to definitely focus on having lunches ready. I think that's my main problem. And the chicken and waffles I made were, the chicken was over salted. It was way too salty. My friend had put salt on it, and then I put my seasonings on it, not realizing how much salt she had used. So it's kind of like not that edible. You might have to just go in the trash. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I just finished studying at my next place. I'm hungry, so that's college. I might do some like flashcards later tonight after I have dinner with my friends. Taking the stairs. So yeah, these healthy changes, y'all. I'm about to be snatched. I'm about to be just snatched. What am I missing? I don't know what I'm missing, but I'm gonna have spaghetti for dinner, and I'm walking back home, so that's my exercise. I'll include the MyFitnessPal for today, and I'll probably see y'all tomorrow. I don't know, I might eat desserts or I might have that, but you know, we'll see. Bye. So basically I went back to that office again and got more snacks. I went to my professor's office. I always know she has chocolate in there, so I grabbed a Twix. I had like some applesauce, like little snacks. I'm probably gonna eat some more of those little snacks. I did have lunch already. I'll include it if I haven't included it already. This week I feel like I haven't done as much talking. I don't know, it's been really hectic recently. I think because finals is coming up, so yeah. Nutrition project, I'm gonna finish out this table and I'll insert it like here somewhere, and then you guys can kind of see how much I ate. And this is me clean eating. I'm not gonna count today because today I really just want to eat my little random snacks and vibe. It is so nice out, so I'm probably gonna go for a walk later. I tried to sign up for Solid Core, but it got booked out for today, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I didn't really do an exercise class this week. Yeah, I don't think I've done one this week. This week has been going by fast. I don't know if I mentioned, but it is Thursday, so I'll probably just be putting the dates up top because, again, I feel like this week I haven't been talking. Basically, we're chilling. I'm doing laundry today, so my room's not super clean, but the overall vibe and essence is there. We lit a candle last night while studying. We had good vibes going. But yeah, I'm just gonna listen to some music and get some of this tedious part done. Yeah, I got a lot to do, so we're just gonna get to it.
I'm taking my freedom, pulling it off the shelf, putting it on my chain, wearing it round my neck. I'm taking my freedom, putting it in my car, wherever I choose to go.
Oh, and before I go, I am happy to be back at 159. I weighed myself this morning. I don't know if I included it, so I'll include it here if I haven't already. Thought this was the week before my period, but I think I've started my period for realsies. So yeah, I'm just gonna write that off as I was like gaining weight before my period, and now like I'm coming back down. I don't I'm not hungry, but I just need to eat something before it gets too late because I'm gonna be up kind of late. So I'm gonna eat peanut butter toast with a little bit of granola on top. Yum. Good morning, happy Friday. I don't really feel like taking my clothes off for the check-in, so I'm just gonna wear my clothes when I step on the scale. So it's gonna be slightly higher, and then I'll insert it here. Okay, this is in my classroom. I'm gonna have one of these bad boys. I made myself some coffee. I did my makeup. It's gonna be a good day. Walking to class. I just finished my last class of the semester. So now I just have finals left. So next week is really just gonna be hella snacks and meal prep. I really have to meal prep this weekend, like seriously. These are so good. I'm gonna go back in that office and get more of these. I'm hoping she's there on Monday. Like, I'm thinking I make the rest of those sweet potatoes. Like, whatever sweet potatoes in there, I'm gonna make all of them. That'll be good. That's high in nutrients. And then I'll have those for the week. So I tell you, I'm about to be locked in. And I have MCAT to study for. My MCAT, the day to push it back and pay the least amount of money to push it is Friday. So this weekend I really have to be like really making that decision on if I'm gonna push it. I'm not gonna push it that far. I'm probably gonna push it like maybe a couple weeks, because I am kind of feeling like I need more time. But yeah, in terms of food, like my brain cannot go towards what I'm eating at all. Like it 100% is gonna be me eating snacks and whatever I meal prep for the week. So that's probably what I'm going to include for the end of this vlog, and then we're gonna take a hiatus next week.
Stay, y'all say, yo, y'all say it ain't lingerie on that Chardonnay, scoring touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like Barbie and I'm Rambo in the yo. I'm building a rich like John Jack, I'm Camo in the yo. These thoughts can't lock me nowadays. You wish I would know pound cake. Boy, you know I look good at 4